Okay, don't freak out. But I think I actually made it. These people have no idea I'm here. And no idea what's coming. Hi, I'm Emily Pate. I'm from 2026 and this is Hiroshima, August 6th, 1945. Look at this market, how fish, vegetables, everything here. This city is completely alive right now. This whole city, I had no idea it was this big. Oh my god, Vad, look at these kids. They're just going to school. Like any normal day. There's a temple right here still. These women are praying. Same prayers they do every morning. She is absolutely judging my outfit right now.
何者だ、この娘は。
Fair, completely fair. This breach. This is the exact target point. Right here. There's a US plane up there right now. Nobody on this breach can see it. And harmless, I don't understand. Okay, he was not happy with me. I genuinely have no idea what he said.
ここで何をしているか？写真禁止だ。
It's 8 a.m. The bomb drops at gate 50. That's Houston minutes. 70,000 people in this city may survive today. They're right behind me. They're arguing about prices, laughing with friends, just living. You're a baby. That little baby has no idea. I tried to point at the sky. They just laughed. There is nothing I can do. I need a second. I just walked past so many people who are going to die in 7 minutes. I'm going to keep recording. Because someone has to remember them exactly like this. That clear sky is why they chose today. That beautiful blue sky is why. 8:14 a.m. 1 minute. Everything is about to change forever. It's done. The city I walked through this morning, it's gone. They're gone. The old woman at the stall, the school kids, got baby on her mother's back. Remember them, no, not just the bomb. Remember the people. These were real families, real lives. Real Tuesday mornings, not just history. If you made it this far home, thank you. I'll see you in the past.